Nikon D5600 is a perfect camera for beginners. It has a lot of features that are great for taking pictures and videos. You can take great pictures without having to invest in a more expensive camera. This camera is also easy to use, so you will be able to get the most out of it right away. In this video, we will list the top 5 beginner lens for Nikon D5600. Our number 1 choice is Nikon's 18 to 105mm lens. This lens is a great beginner lens for Nikon shooters. It's light, easy to use, and offers good image quality. The lens is also compatible with Nikon's full-frame and crop sensor cameras, making it the perfect choice for beginners who are looking for a versatile lens that will take good pictures. The lens is lightweight and has a fast f/3.5 to f/5.6 aperture that makes it ideal for shooting in low-light conditions. It also comes with Nikon's VR, vibration reduction, technology, which helps to reduce camera shake when shooting video or taking photos with a telephoto lens. This lens has a wide focal range that covers everything from wide-angle shots to telephoto shots, making it ideal for a variety of shooting situations. If you want to buy this lens, please check the below. Our number 2 choice is Nikon's 70 to 300mm f/4-5.6G lens. It is a great beginner lens that offers versatility and performance. It features Nikon's AF system that is fast and accurate, making it a great choice for shooting photos and videos. Additionally, the lens is lightweight and compact, perfect for those who are looking for an easy-to-carry lens. It has fast autofocus and is reasonably priced. The optics are good and it provides plenty of reach for shooting distant objects. This lens is perfect for capturing portraits, wide landscape shots, and close-ups of wildlife or other objects. It also features Nikon's acclaimed autofocus system, which makes it easy to take sharp photos even in difficult lighting conditions. If you want to buy it, please check the below. If you're looking for a highly versatile lens that will allow you to shoot stunning photos and videos with your Nikon F-mount camera, the Zeiss Classic Planar ZF.2T 1.450 standard camera lens is a great option. This lens is perfect for beginner photographers who are just starting out and want to experiment with different photography styles. With its wide aperture and high resolution, this lens can capture stunning images and videos that will amaze your friends and family. This lens is designed for everyday photography and provides great image quality. It's also a great beginner lens because it's affordable, easy to use, and has a wide range of focal lengths. It's a great beginner lens because it's affordable, has good quality, and offers a lot of versatility. Our number 4th lens is Rokinon 16mm f/16mm f2.0 aspherical wide-angle lens. It is a great beginner lens for a Nikon camera. It has a wide angle of view and is perfect for capturing landscapes, cityscapes, and other wide-angle shots. The lens is also lightweight and easy to carry around, making it a great option for traveling photographers. That's why it's important to have a variety of lenses to choose from when starting out. The Rokinon 16mm f/16mm f2.0 aspherical wide-angle lens is a great beginner lens because it offers a wide-angle perspective without being too restrictive. If you want to buy this lens, please check the video pin comments. Our 5th and last choice is JINTU 85mm f1.8 lens. It's compatible with Nikon cameras, and it has a wide aperture that makes it great for shooting in low-light conditions. Additionally, its manual focus feature makes it easy to get the perfect shot. The lens has an aperture range of f1.8 f/16 and offers great image quality. This lens is compatible with Nikon cameras and offers great performance for a beginner lens. If you like the video, please subscribe and check the pinned comments. Have a nice day.